I am Dentist Fortune. Thank you for being here. Please stay till the end. We'll be sharing some gems. So this is the 7 days challenge to keep your teeth healthy. Do you want healthy teeth or do you want to spend £10,000 on an implant? Do you want healthy teeth or do you want your teeth extracted? You are the only one who can make that choice. They know that about 2.5 billion people worldwide have tooth decay. Today, to understand your pain, share your knowledge, and practice prevention. So, this is the 7 day challenge. The first day, brush your teeth. Second day, clean in between your teeth with floss or interdental brush or sticks. Day 3, eat healthy food. Day 4, use the mouthwash. Day 5, visit the hygienist to clean your teeth professionally. Day 6, cut hidden risks like sugary stuff. Day 7, reflect and look in the mirror and smile. Take a pre-op picture and a post-op picture of the challenge. Some tips: brush twice a day, spit after brushing. Feedback in the comments. I would like to know how you were able to keep up with the challenge, and share some pictures if you wish to. This is a disclaimer. I'm only trying to educate and empower you to have healthy teeth, healthy gums, and confident smiles. This is virtual. It's good to seek face-to-face dental treatment. Thank you for staying till the end. Please subscribe, share the knowledge. Thank you. See you in the next video.